Well, Coop, to me, you're not only asleep, but you're snoring. I could probably even poke you. Poke, 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 poke. Poke, poke. Nope, you're asleep.